Here I have OPPO Pad 2, and today I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to turn your device off by holding down power key, and after it turns off completely, hold down combination of keys power key plus volume down at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. And after the screen turns on and you can see OPPO logo appeared, you can release power key and keep holding only volume down. So here in the appeared menu you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, or you can just use touchscreen. You don't have to use these buttons. So you have here such options as format data, reboot device and power off. So if you want to quit this mode, just select the second option, reboot device, and device will be restarted just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.